Well, we're here at the Animal Kingdom and they have the Christmas tree up. And here we are at the Animal Kingdom. We haven't been here in a long time. Okay, so we're here in Animal Kingdom. Now, yesterday I looked at some of the footage that I did for this vlog and I really spoke very low. I was very not comfortable. I was very kind of awkward feeling. Also because I came here alone and that's kind of a weird thing. But you know, I'm sure there are a lot of vloggers who come alone to Disney. I've seen them. So I shouldn't feel that bad. It's fine, I don't feel that bad. I just feel a little awkward. But my hair was a mess. Everything, I looked disheveled. I look like I'm really tired and I haven't been sleeping. It's sort of like my vacation. But anyway, I'm gonna try to be a little more. I'm gonna put on my hat because my hat, it's windy. And I should have brought my jacket left in the car. But anyway, my Ordinary Adventures hat. I'm gonna try to be a little more comfortable today in the vlog. So let's see how it goes. So anyway, let's go in the park. I'm always neurotic that I don't leave anything behind. I'm already being a little more boisterous. Well, there is the Tree of Life. Well, here we are at Pandora. Okay, we're riding the Flight of Passage.
For the health and safety of everyone, eating and drinking are not permitted while in line. Face coverings must fully cover your nose and mouth.
Let's get a closer look at our drivers.
How many? One. Would like to have filmed inside the Flight of Passage ride, but I didn't want to lose the phone. They said the floor dropped, so I didn't want to like have 2 hours to ride that. The phone fall out of my hand or something. I wonder what they have all these social distancing markings if it's just a pathway. Weird. This is Africa. Entering Africa.
Guests that do not comply will be asked to leave. Please abide.
Once we got all clear, so 20. So let's go. Well, Java friends, good afternoon. My name is Andrew. I'll be a safari guide out on the reserve tonight. Before we do head in, though, just make sure to have your face covering over your mouth and your nose at all times while you are remaining seated, with your hands on street length inside the truck. That's for the safety of you and others. And if you look right above your heads, that is the animal identification chart. Now if you do have a phone or camera, take them out now, but the money, sports, or action setting. I'd like to welcome you to the Little Terry Forest. You can be able to see an absolutely breathtaking view of the savannah out here. and juicy cattle. Out in the wild in the evening hours, they're fed into a pen called Apeville. Seeded produce, leaves, grass, hay, tree branches, and even red clay. So just take a look at how humongous he is. There's only 50% of them on population, on protected land. And they go up to months without drinking water if they have a lot of fruit and vegetation in their diet. Over here, on the left-hand side, you can see a graded flamingo, group of them called a flamboyant. They get their coloring from the brine shrimp to consume. They're actually born gray. Takes a year and a half or so to get that nice pink coating to them. And the island that they're standing on is a large Mickey mouse. The largest hidden Mickey fairy animal kingdom. Take a look at their mouth. It's pretty wide. That's how they got the name White from the word vite. Vite means wide. Vite and white is kind of similar. Go ahead, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Recycling of paper, plastic, and electronics. So friends, since you're part of our herd now, we're going to go ahead and say explore and meet each other in just a few moments. Just waiting for this truck ahead of us. Your cell phones, wallets, keys. Don't want to forget any of those items. It is quite a long ride back if you forget anything at all. So far, Renee, go well, go well. Enjoy the rest of the day here at Disney Animal Kingdom. My name is Andrew and it's on. Thank you so much for joining me. It's been an absolute pleasure having you aboard.
Well, so far, it's not really busy here at Animal Kingdom, and I did the safari. Now we're in the Gorilla Falls.
See the shadow? Another one come because I keep coming close to this one.
We're entering the part of it. Oh, this is Asia. We're entering Asia. Came here and I got the honey. Hi. Thank you.
151?
Yes.
You can be fast
Okay.
and dry.
Thank you. I want to be careful because I dropped this. I dropped soda this morning. I mean, my coffee this morning. Let's see what it's at. So we got the tempura, even though it's not really tempura, I think. But anyway, the sesame, the honey sesame chicken tempura with rice and little vegetables and a Diet Coke. So we'll see how it tastes actually. Take my mask off. Very good. Very good. It's very good. I think it would be better if it had brown rice, but it's still very tasty. Much better than Panda Express. Could have had a little more sauce because I have to kind of put the rice over here, try to grab some more sauce. Kind of chilly out. And after this, we'll get a. I think I have an ant, something crawling. We get a alcoholic drink cap. See, it feels like I'm having too much white rice, so you need more sauce, but it's good. to, well, it's getting cold. I should put a jacket. Let's go check out the monkeys. My favorite are the primates. However, they're indoors. Oh, there's the other.
Hello, friends. Look, it's some of your favorite pals on the Discovery River.
Okay, it's really getting cold now, and I didn't bring my other jacket. I left it in the car. But anyway, I'm gonna go to that Nauvoo. I'm not familiar with the Avatar names, but the other ride, the indoor ride, that's like in the river. I'll go to that one if it's not long ride, if it's not a long wait rather. And then I think we may go to a second park, since we could do the park hopping now, or else we'll call it a day and we'll just go home. So we'll see. Somebody called my name. They did call my name because one of those kids has the same name. That's why. Okay. Oh, this Dino Land I forgot about. We'll just go quickly through it because it is freezing. It's getting cold now, and I did not bring the jacket. All right, so I know that ride over there is closed. There's really not much to do here, so let's go to that other ride in Avatar. And if the wait is too much, then we'll just go home. Or we may go to another park, probably Epcot. I have to come into the store just to warm up. A few little things. Oh, there's a cute shirt for there. Nice. So this is a bigger size. I would get it. These are nice lights. There's a nice sweater here.
I like the Walt Disney retro shirts and merchandise. See if they're around here anywhere.
These say Walt Disney World. These are nice. Ooh, very nice. Are these like cutoffs? This is like they're for girls, I guess. I don't know. But I like this. I like the retro Walt Disney World, and I like this. This is really nice. This is a nice sweater. But this one, I would like to pick up this, but just a little too small. And then this is too much. You know, I really should design. I mean, for my taste anyway. What the hell is this thing? I have no idea. I'm not that familiar with Avatar movies. I mean, all the details. I've seen the movies, but I don't know too much about it. Let's see how long the ride wait for this is for Navi. Depending on that, we'll take it or not. Alright, it's like 40 minutes, so it was 30 minutes when I got on the line, so we'll try it. Okay, we're riding here on the first row. We're gonna get our own boat. Rides are good. The flight of passenger flight of I forgot the name of it already. That was the best one. But it's cold, and I think we're gonna just exit Animal Kingdom now, and I'll see you in a bit. It is freezing, so that's it for this trip. This is the second day of my 2-day trip alone as a pass holder, because I need to find someone else who has a pass holder who wants to come every month, so that I'm not here by myself. A little awkward, but it's fine. It was something that, if you haven't done it, it's interesting to do. But
thanks for visiting us today.
That's all right. I'm getting used to it. Vlogging, I've done this before, but not in the theme park as much. So anyway, that's it. I'm going to edit this to see if I have anything. If I enjoy doing this, I will continue doing it. I still get a little shy when people look at me. Why? I'm such an idiot. I'm a fucking actor. Why not? Why am I afraid? Anyway, I'm not. Okay, so that's it. It's a little sad to go, but I have to go go home. I gotta work anyway. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed if you did watch this. And I'll see you next time. Bye. 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 Good night. Exit. We'll exit this way this time. Good night. Aloha. My gimbal was moving and I didn't get the guy completely. But I'm not gonna go back and do it over. Or I should maybe. A real vlogger would. Oh look, let's follow the bubble. At least I'm following the bubble. Oh, there it goes. Gotta know how to control this thing. I'm learning. Now I am talking too much. It is cold as balls out here. Oh boy, you know, I should go to the restroom before I leave. I don't know why I'm telling you this. Anyway, I hope I have enough footage for today. I think yesterday I had more, but we'll see in the edit. Like I said, I hope you, if you like, I hope you enjoyed the video actually. Well, like I said, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if I enjoy doing these, I will be doing more of them. Maybe I'll come once a month for 2 days every month and have 2 vlogs, I guess. We'll see how it goes. Okay. And now the restroom and then exiting the park. At this point, I'd say, so we're leaving, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.